we are going to Tesco's and I think we're getting stuff. Okay. Mission first. I did not fall it. We got that film, did you? Yes. You probably get maybe a million hits and thanks to me. Yeah, thanks to you. Go faster. So James, is it fun? We'll try to get some people's faces, say like, oh my god. It's like really tight. So my mate, nothing here going on. Schoolmate. What are we even getting? James, go a wee bit fast. Well, don't really need or anything. You're all gonna be famous one day. Yeah, I'm just a normal person walking. No, like a Simpsons pack. Look. Simpsons pack. Down there. 10 quid. Whoa. Oh, look, there's really Lego. Lego, not Yago. Lol. What? Oh, James. I think I carpet. Come on, James. I am the game. You don't want to play me. It's it. So Dad's with. Dad, we're here. I will catch you. I'm the fastest man alive. Yeah, I could probably. Come on then. I'm the fastest man alive. Stinky. I'm the fastest man alive. Whoa! I can't get past the school. Person. Turn this, Hallie. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Speedy. To left. Don't move straight. I'm the fastest man alive. See? He's running so fast he ain't using anything. He's using a Swegway. There's his dad there. Remember, wait. You'd probably think I fell off the Swegway about 5 times. Oh, where are we going now? Anywhere you want. You tell me. Down here? Okay. Oh, James, there's football. Really fast. You meant to hold stuff as well. Don't just hold the camera. Come down. Hello, good sir. Please do not mind me. I am fine. I'm not the fastest man alive. Film. Bye. I am the fastest man alive. James, I think you know. These are the toys. This is. Look, James, look. I found Roman Reigns, the creator of WWE. James, B, the Flash. Oh yeah, Flash. Flash like this Flash. James, come up toward me. That's like tug on the spring to stop it from going that fast. Now where do you want to go? There's that, so then go this way.
Flash! Stop! I got Let's go tell your dad.
No, let get us supplies when he goes on to end.
Yeah. Nothing happened.
Fell off it.
Yeah. Come on.
I can't get in this bit.
Okay.
No, I can't get in that.
Come on, James.
I can't get in.
There you go.
Oh crap.
Okay. No more turn to epic fail.
I don't know how to get back on it. You need to help me. Come here.
See you back on. Just come on. All we're doing is go down. You have to go down the ramp.
Oh shit.
Oh, you want me to do it?
I don't want to
Just wait. Come on. Wait, stop, wait there. And then I'll go all the way up here. Come.
I thought they were shouting.
Did you? No, not camera. It's car. Oh, I don't. Yeah, car.
Like, from around the shop. I need to go down the ramp. So I can't get out.
So you're coming down this side. That way.
Why this way?
We'll have a longer shot, see if anyone notices. We're so bad.
What?
You just said you're not actually being meaning.
Go all the dresses.
Well, there's so much stuff here.
Don't worry. I'm not.
Wait there.
If I don't get kicked out the store because
Stop,
my
sec.
mum used to work here, so.
I'll go. Stop there. Stop. And then you come down to me. Okay, just carry on.
I don't want to carry on because they'll start buying. Those people are noticing. Those faces.
I said right. Go straight. And then do you want to go? Open sesame.
Now we have to go back
All the way down there.
where the van.
So is that a goodbye?
No, we're still filming until we get to the van.
Okay. James,
We want to go back in the store for round 2.
can I go in round 2?
What?
Can I go to see if they notice me?
No.
Down. Where's the... Oh, that's the wrong door. That's the wrong... No, oh, that is the right door. No, that's the door there. Wait, what door did we get out then? James, I think we didn't go out that door.
No.
I think that's the fire exit door.
Oh my god.
I think we either went out the wrong door. Wait, no, that was the right door.
Yeah, guys, leave it in the comments if you know where it was.
The bit that we saw. What? Yeah. Sure.
Filmers here.
It's
This is gonna take up like loads of memory space.
he's got that. He just has that.
That's fine. Come on. Hold on. first time on my bike because I've been on it before, but it was broken, and now I'm on it.
You gonna do? Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not why did you have to act so mean? Don't you know you're a human being? Born of a mother with the love of a father. Reflection comes and reflection goes. I know sometimes you wanna let go. Hey, I know sometimes you wanna let go. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You're too bad, you're too rude, you're too bad, you're too rude, yeah. Bad boys.
This is James BTV, and we're back from being out on the Swegway and the motorbike, and now we stop for a break and we'll be going right back out for more fun.